Let's see.
Hey, are they in already?
At the moment, there are 9 participants. So if there isn't anybody else that is going to come in, all the other participants here, do you have your friends that are waiting to join? If not, then I think we can. You guys have waited long enough. We can begin already.
We give them 5 minutes lah, because I know KL is very jam man. my my last impression, last July go back KL is like, wow, this is like yeah Shanghai. Is it Akira? Akira, is it you? Huh?
Yes, yes, Kira here.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I saw you building your lot muscle. How is your Muay Thai? Huh?
Bro, got other participants here. Like you want to talk about
Oh,
my?
sorry, I thought they can hear us. Okay.
Of course.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, okay.
Just let me know when you guys are ready to start. If the 5 minutes countdown started earlier, we have roughly about 4 minutes before we can all begin. Okay, thank you everybody for staying with us. There's gonna be another 2 minutes left before we officially start the Zoom. So if you guys have invited some friends over to hear us out tonight, don't forget to call them in. Okay, 1 minute now.
Hey, Gary, may I ask you how can I shift back to a camera so I can show my face?
Just there should be a button that says stop sharing.
Yep.
Yeah, just click on that and
Ah, I see. Okay. So
yeah,
I will jump back to.
your screen
Oh,
is black at the
oh,
moment.
okay.
Is your camera on? Yep, 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 yep.
Yeah, yeah. Because there's this cap. Yeah,
Okay, great. We can see you now.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, otherwise somebody join late, then we have to go back again and start.
Yep. No need lah. I think those who join late, they just, I mean, we will
Playback.
update. I will do a summary and put it into the group chat. So I think we can officially begin. Time now is 8:05, so we don't have to make anybody else wait any longer already. So Joshua, you can take the stage whenever you're ready.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, I'm Joshua here. I'm calling from now I'm in Australia. So is anybody can open your video? At least you not open your mic and know you are there already. So I know your response. Are you already in front of the computer? Hi, Steve. How are you? Good evening. Hi, Elwie. Hello. Hi, KS. How are you? Good to see you guys. All right. That's good. That's good.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Okay, I think more people is coming, right? Let
Yeah.
me like go and tag everyone again.
Hmm. Yeah, I know the time different here in Melbourne here. My time is 11 o'clock, so we are definitely at home. Yeah, but I know Malaysia Singapore is still 8 o'clock. So we still on the way or dinner. All right. Okay. So before I start, I just want to ask. There are about 16, 19 of us here, 90%. I just want to ask. How many of you have experience in trading in the broker outside in any broker like Pepperstone, Vantage, you did have some experience of trading before, like you've been joining or you've been trade by yourself. If you have more than 1 year of trading, you put one. If you have more than 3 years, you put three. Can you type on the screen so I know the people are talking tonight? So they are able to know what. Oh wow, okay. So wow, 5 year case, you do 5 years. Surprise! Wow, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I messaged to KS before. 3 years. Wow, that's good. So pretty much you all know about yeah. Okay. So there are 3 person from our side here have some sort of trading, good trading experience, 3 to 5 year. So I can say about 80% still brand new. So how many of you all here actually is from Maxima, or you're just joining tonight because of friend invited? If you're from Maxima, I put number one. Put one. All right. If you introduce my friends, today is the first night here. We put two. Yep. Oh, okay. All right, Philip, welcome then. Hi, Sil, welcome. Thank you. All right. So, one last question I will ask before I start. How many of those who are in Maxima? How many of you is already at IB now? Already at IB level. You are IB level. Put one. Oh, okay. Good, good. Right, right. That's good. That's good. Okay.
I think some of them never key in and then don't know how to come in.
Or they know the password, things like that.
Yeah.
Are they still inside the lounge area?
I mean, let's start first lah. I mean, our side here.
Okay, cool.
I will settle
Yeah.
that.
Okay, so you start the recording now. Kira,
I didn't start. You want me to start the recording?
yeah,
I
for
already
those
start. You already started. Is it?
yeah, I didn't start yet. Yeah. So okay.
I'll start the recording now.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
cool.
thank you.
Oh wait, I passed the Zoom, the host to you already, Alex.
Oh,
You gotta press
record
record
to
at the end.
cloud, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Done.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
So again, I need to share. I can't see my screen sharing, bro. Kira, can you give me a guide? Where is the button already? I can't see because you swap up just now already. How to share my screen?
On the bottom bar, there should be a green color button in the middle called share.
Okay, I need to enlarge the screen. Okay, here it goes. All right, yeah. Wait,
Good, we
how
can
come
see it now.
can see it now, yeah? Okay, cool. Okay, hi everyone. So I will go with the PowerPoint presentations. So I will go on the normal pace, so you all follow the flow. So if you have any question throughout that time, you can jot down, and there will be a free time for Q&A for your guys. So you can ask me, then I will jump back to the part that answer your question. But when I go through first round, just let the flow go through, so there will be no in the middle interruption and question asking. Yeah. Okay. So today is the launch of the awesome V88 on the Vantage platform. So the reason. Okay, so first, as usual, I need to read the disclaimer. Okay, this presentation is for information purpose only and does not constitute investment advice or recommendations or offer to buy or sell any security financial instrument. Past performance is not indicate of future result. Trading and investing involves substantial risk or loss. The information contained herein is based on source believed to be reliable, but is not guaranteed for accuracy and completeness. The awesome V88 signal is providing on a as-is basis. Users should conduct their own due diligence, consult with qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. Awesome V88 signal are subject to regulator oversight. Please review all relevant term, condition, and risk disclosure provided by Vantage before opening an account or copy any trade, our trade. Yeah. Results show historical and may not be represent of future performance. Individual result may vary based on market conditions, account size, and trading executions. For question or concern, please contact the awesome lead trader team directly. Okay. Okay, so if you know awesome, we've been start trading. That's when I joined. I joined Maxima since last year May. I start my first trading on the first 3rd of May is Monday. So during the time I've been giving. I think if you join very earlier during the time, I still not be copy trader yet. So we are setting up a group called Signal, Go Signal, and this daily news. So we giving signal, trading signal through WhatsApp. You know, we do have a break time. The time is very fun. We interact, and there's like every day, night time, especially 9 to 1 o'clock Melbourne time. We did give a signal, buy a short or sell. You know, it's a real time, and people trade by themselves and follow the signal. So we've been doing that for 2 months, and then July we have our first copy account. And from first 1 copy account, we have continued grow to up to 5 copy account in the platform. Okay, so now our team consists of 4 traders. Myself, Alex, we have the DJ and also SJ, DP and SJ. Yeah, so 4 of us trading. So this is where we're coming from. So okay, next one is. Okay, why we move to Vantage regular platform? So Vantage is a regular global platform. he actually already have an international license, brokerage license. Okay, so in Vantage, basically the client fund is segregated. So if you follow our trade, you don't need to put your fund inside our account. Basically, funds still inside client account in your account. You have the control on the account anytime. It just the platform provide you a signal when we open trade on our trading account. We also have our own trading account. It will synchronize to your account. You will open the trade at the same time, automatic. So even when you sleep, you're still running. Then when you close, profit, everything will go back to your account basically. So they will take out the copy. We call the copy performance fees. The company will take out the copy from. Then the profit is all go back to client account. So in all times, segregated account in broker fund is always safe. So we are not doing a fund manager thing here, like the Chinese say 资金池, 我们不做这个哈, we don't do the 资金池. So his fund is already in your account. At any time you can unfollow a copy or take out your fund anytime. Okay, so that's the security of segregated client fund. And due to that reason, all the licensed registered broker firm, they need to regulate by any country monetary body. So like Exit is under Australia. So Vantage has an Australia license, basically. Australia license Exit is the top 3 in the world. Okay, there are 3 of them very strong. So the number 2 is London, FSCA. So basically they already got the 2 top license in the world. Okay, for this side operation, the broker and forex. So I think Vantage have been operating, if I'm mistaken, it's about 15 years. It's not a new company. And currently, they themselves have a lot of clients. Just they have a trader, is about 5,000 people trader inside there, trading on different assets, providing signal. So they also have a very good institute execution. They made the tight, the spread is good. We've been trying the system, and very fast order closing is very accurate. You don't have a delay, that kind of thing happen. The infrastructure is good, and also it's Kuber scalable. Okay, they have a lot of server, and you can get your friend in different part of the world to join. So this gives a trust and transparency, security funds for clients, and protect us as a trader because basically we don't call the AUM not called asset under management. We are calling asset follow trade. Okay, so how many clients follow our trade? Basically, funds still inside client account. So this is the strategic expansion for us. It's a new mileage because when we must Maxima is a small. Basically, Maxima is still a small broker firm. They don't have the license like Vantage, the international license. So we are glad that we are able to be accepted and successful registered inside this international licensed broker firm environment. Okay, so this gives us a grow to the next phase. Okay, so this is our 2 months performance. So because we are using the same trading setup, the same discipline, the same risk management. So our trade strategy is still the same. We running in fish. We are not changing a new strategy. Therefore, I just do a conversion. Whatever the past 2 months we did, the result directly we can convert to it because we are using everything the same. The stop loss, the TP, the discipline, no double trade, no compound trade, the kind of things. Like six loss a day is the limit, things like that. Okay, so we use back the same, we call the risk control and environment setup. So, and the most important, we use back the same strategy among our trader because a trader, I did give them a strategy how we do this. So therefore, it's easy for me to straight away use back our real performance strategic to provide you today. So rather than if we use a new strategy, then we need to prove it for another 2 months. So I not intend to do that. So I go back very basic. Of course, for my training last time, I've been trained in the institution trading. They got a lot of technique, okay, like swing trader, the day trader, macro trade a lot of method scalping. But we're not going to use that because my trader team already familiar with what we are doing. So one good strategy, one good discipline, one good consistency, you can make consistency profit already. You don't need a lot of strategy. Just like people say, 刀多冇把利係冇用嘅，一把利刀就得咗啦。So I rather to go back the same thing, simple way, we do it consistent. So based on this, our past January and December result, January and December, basically 2 months, they actually got 9 weeks. Because 1 month is 30 days or 31 days, 31st day, they are not 28 days. So that's why they are 9 weeks total, 9個星期, 9 weeks in 2 months. So out of the 9 weeks, we have 8 profit week. Okay. So the 8 profit week, the highest profit we have is 20%, one of the week. Later I will show you on down there. And there's only 1 week we are losing, and the losing is 10%, 10.23%. Okay. So this is basically what we call drawdown. Okay. Drawdown, capital drawdown. So because in the real world trading environment, there is no such thing called insurance replenishment. So basically there's drawdown. Okay. I will explain drawdown later also. Okay. Why drawdown is important. Drawdown risk control is very important for a trader. Discipline. So look at it is we take 1 week as a cycle. There's a reason why, because 1 week consists of 5 trading days, and most of the institution trader, like because for the gold asset or fiat currency, is not only the retail trader like us trading. The main player in the market is a central bank, institution fund, those big guy government, because gold even now become a reserve currency. Sorry for a lot of central bank. Actually, China buying raw gold because they want to get rid of US dollar basically, because they don't want to keep so much US dollar. So that's the reason why all this constitution come in. That's why 5 day a weekly cycle is very good, because they will be like, they also have professional traders, so they will be on buying on a Monday morning or buying on Wednesday, and then Friday will be the one time profit taking day. So a weekly profit takeout will be very good. Okay. And also that's the reason why we put weekly. And also that's very good for people, like just I saw you come from Maxima, you know that every weekend, then we will say, take your profit, okay? Basically every weekend we tell you, hey, this week got profit, please take your profit out. Okay? So out of the 9 week, actually 8 week, you take your profit out, okay? So basically this is what we are talking about. So average, we are making 6% per week. Yeah. And this is the result we have from the historical weekly performance. Okay. If you see here, the start from the bottom is 5th of December. Okay. We make 24B for those Maxima 24B, that means 24 win trade. Okay. 26 loss trade. Our win rate is 47.8. But then when we win, there's a calculation. When we win every win trade, the bottom we have. So this is the profit. This is the A calculation, 550. So the net profit is $48.36. The reason being is because when we stop loss, we stop at 60 pip. Okay. But when we profit at 75 pip. So they are 1 to 1.25 ratio. Okay. On some trade, when I do some trade, I will use this swing technique. Sometimes I will do some swing technique. That will become out to 1 to 2 ratio. Okay. So the standard setup now for my trader all running now, we are very focused is on 75 pip and 60 pip. So there's 1 to 1.25 ratio. That means risk reward. Okay. We say the RR in technical term we call RR, risk reward. So risk is 1, then we need a profit 1.25. So that's the reason why even we have lesser win trade, but we still make profit. Okay. So you see on the first week of December, we have make 4.84% in 1 week in 5 trading days. Okay. So second week, December is a losing week. Okay. And then follow that all the way until January end, we all making profit 6%. If your guy in the group, you know that even on the 31st of January, I bring my family to city countdown, we see the firewood, and then I run back to my house, 2 o'clock, I continue trade. I make another three trade profit there. I did share with your guys. So So during Christmas also I trade it, So we are very serious toward our own money. We also very serious to our own our follower. So the highest performance is on the 16th of January. We make it, there's a lot of trade there. 23 profit trade, 18 losing trade. But we made 56.3%, and you can see 200 profit. So this is based on $1,000 account, okay? Because now the minimum open account you can put in here is $1,000 only, okay? You don't need to put a lot of money, just $1,000. I will suggest you start with $1,000. Don't put a lot of money, please. Try. Okay, so okay, if anyone you have question during Q&A, you're welcome to ask me to jump back here, or you want me to show you the proof, because I did announce all this result on the daily historical. If you want, I can jump back to that day. I show you guys. Okay. Okay. So how this calculation work? Okay. This is for figure man. Okay. Anyone here is from financial background, accountant, this one, yeah. Okay. So this will be important part lah. Okay. Important part. Okay. So $1,000 follower account now. Okay. Open account with $1,000. So how we calculate is simple, because I just now told you the risk reward is 1 to 1.25. That's our setup. So when we win in B, when the winning trade, 75 pip. So we always only trade on the lot size. We are control the risk is only 1%. Okay. Yeah, and the trade is around 1% only our stop loss. Okay, we don't risk more than 1%, and we don't actually open two trades at the same time. We don't do compound like some trader, they open a lot of trade, one lot inside, So one trade close, then we only open second trade. So at any time, we only risk ourselves 1% in the market, basically, because the stop loss is controlled at 1%. So $26 in profit. Okay, so when you win in B, so then if you calculate based on average 6.01% of average profit, so in 2 months, basically, just now based on that 9 week, is a 52.5% return. Okay, basically your account grow from $1,000 to $1,524.94. Okay, that's how it's worked. So this is a net gain over the next 2 months. Okay. So against when as I say, the fund side, because if you account is more than $1,000, so the system will automatically adjust. So for instance, if you are $2,000, you're also risking only 1% in every trade. So your return will be proportioned back to the same percentage. Okay, the system will able to adjust your open lot size based on the fund in your account. That's why later I will explain to you what we need to do. It's very important. Every week you take out your profit, okay? And then because there's no insurance replenishment here, I will suggest your guy take out your profit, but accumulate a sinking fund 15% inside your wallet. Okay, that is for the week that we needed to top up. Like out of the 9 weeks, there's 1 week you need to top 10%. The rest of the week you take out a profit, which is altogether 52.5 weeks. Okay, so strategy. I'm talking about the advantage now. I compare between broker to broker. Okay, I compare the platform to platform. So here, very obvious. In Maxima, the old platform, we've been trading with them. We all need to pay the 6% money insurance fees. Okay. So this then here, then you have higher operation costs and lower net profit for follower and limited. And the most important is they are no regulated oversight yet. Okay, what happened to Maxima now is no. So but in Vantage is we don't have money insurance fees. So that's the reason why here you will have basically you have already have 6% profit, saving a lot from there, 6%, and reduce operation costs and a higher net profit for follower. Okay, so this is this constitution is considered of a regular segregated environment. It is regulated license. So the takeaway point, the tips is most important is eliminated the remove the 6% money insurance fees. So this will increase the return. So and we try the system is very good. They don't have lagging. It's not like sometimes the market is volatile. It's don't close the trade and the few trade. So during our trade experience with Maxima last time is sometimes we sitting there waiting for 1 hour, waiting for a good entry, and then when the time comes, we strike it, and then we see the profit running green color, very happy, and then he didn't. When he closed the trade, come back say trade failed. That means the trade order failed, didn't able to issue to the LP. I mean those guys, I think Cassie, your guys know lah, your training background, so it's very annoying. There's one day me and my team we experienced. I think I experienced about six up to 5 to 6 profit trade turn to the trade order fail. So that's really not good, So we really as a trader we really put in time and effort go and make the trade, but turn out we didn't get the profit. So here you don't have this type of thing happen. Okay, very sharp. It closed just instantly. You don't need to wait for half an hour then only close. 5 minutes later, no, instantly it closed. So this is something very good. We can make more trade, more profit, Okay, now I need to talk a little bit about strategy and sustainability of our trading. Okay. So our trading team, we are actually using methodology. We use we do fundamental analysis because we trading gold asset. I told you currency or gold asset, all this involve a big guy there. So fundamental play a very important role. We just cannot fully depend on all those indicator. Technical analysis is just part of it, but fundamental sometimes play very important role. Just like sometimes Trump may say something and then boom, the market go up. Against all the fundamental, all the technical analysis. So we need to combine methodology of technical analysis plus fundamental. Sometimes during market is very weak market or sideways, so we have to adopt another different trading technique. We may use price action for trading. So timing is very important, especially when we trade with very tight stop loss, because gold price now is running about 5,000. Okay. So if the gold price movement one day 1%, your guy can count. It's already 500 pip. Okay. So 60 pip out of 500 pip, only 0.1, 0.12. So if during one bar movement more than 0.12, price basically wipe off our stop loss. Okay. So that's why a lot of trader here, the trading timing is very important. You need to like sniper. Sometimes I have experience trading is I miss like 10 seconds only or 15 seconds. Then the other trade I open profit, this trade I open not profit because I traded 5 accounts, So the execution timing is very important because of the asset itself. Now running about unlike euro dollar, then every bar sometimes it's like 20 pip stop loss, you're okay, right? 30 pip. So gold is different, Yeah. So consistent risk management, I did adopt a discipline among the trader. So as I told you, so risk reward is very important. Okay, we are maintaining our ratio between 1 to 1.25 on all the trade we execute, and 1 to 2 is some of the trade that I did for the trading. Okay, and because of that risk management and also the RR ratio, so that's the reason why even we calculate already. Even it's not calculation, it's a real 2 months past 2 months you can see that even at the 48% we already make profit. So our break even is actually 46%. That means what you mean break even? break even, that means if we achieve a trading on that way 46%, there's no lose money and no gain money for our own trading account, and that's also for all the follower. Okay, so if we can achieve 50% is my KPI target to all the trader. So far, last month we do it very good. All our trader has achieved 50%. That's why we have very good. There's 1 week we do 20% profit, just 1 week alone. You know, so yeah. So the risk reward ratio, that is how it's been. That's the reason why for this you already can start break even. So this is a mathematical HR provide a confident long-term profitability. Yeah, just consistent doing one good strategy all the time, 9 hours a day. You know, consistently. If the market is not good, go in the market is the right timing, then you see the result. Okay, so I move to the next page. Okay, now just now for those people who put one, okay, you are not into any trading experience before. I think almost like 70% or 80% who are actually not trading in the market before. So it's good that tonight I highlight a little bit what is called drawdown, okay, and how can you assess a drawdown is important. Okay, what is drawdown? Drawdown represents a temporary decline in account value, okay, from its peak. It's natural and expected component of trading, not a failure. Okay, all successful trading strategy experience drawdown as market move through different phase. The key distinction is controller versus uncontrolled drawdown. Okay, so just like for instance, I think some your guy you have a better anticipate is like buying share. You buy a share. Can somebody tell me a share that will go all the way up like a straight line? Like the straight line never put down one go all the way straight. No, right? It's sometimes there will be a dip and come up, right? So there's this same thing as a drawdown on trading performance also. Like certain day could be a bad, certain week will be a bad week, but the important is the profit week more than the bad week. That's good. Then you make profit. Yeah. So that's called a drawdown. So the difference is a trader with the controllable or uncontrollable. So if the trader is a casino mindset, gambler's mindset, or they always have a lot of revenge trade, emotion trade, this kind of thing, then it's called uncontrollable. Okay, but a disciplined trader, you have a team trading. You have all my traders have signed contract. We sign contract one. We buy with the contract. Inside the contract, already KPI. What is the rule? So that then it's controllable because our historical range also proven that. So our historical range proven demonstrate that a discipline to the management. So typical drawdown is 10%. This is normal for retracement during trading. Maximum drawdowns is 15%. That's where we put. Okay. And you can see for the past 2 months, 9 weeks, we achieved 10%. So it's within the range. So I can tell you guys that our trading performance will be 10 is all the trader in the world, even the top bank trader also same. Even those hedge fund trader, 10% drawdown, they tell you is healthy, normal. Max control at 15. So we proven to you for the past 9 weeks, we achieved about 10.23. So it's still within expected parameter. Okay. So this is a very good to have a low drawdown. Some trader outside there have drawdown go even higher than that, like 30%, 40%. Some using martingale, but I don't know you know what martingale technique. They could be go up to 40 to 60% drawdown. That means the risk is very high. At any chance, your fund gonna get wiped off. Okay, so this is what they explained. So yeah, so our drawdown is manageable, still within the range. So if anybody want to ask about question, you come back here. Talking about in this system, we'll do a little bit differently compared to Maxima because there's no in Maxima, you know that we got account A and B, right? So later, I hope somebody ask me the question. So in here, because there's no account A and B, So in Maxima A and B, every weekend, what you do? Every weekend, including myself, we go and balance up our account A and B, correct or not? Right? So in here, what you can do is every weekend, please follow our signal group, our awesome WhatsApp signal group. We will tell you on a Saturday or Sunday, tell you, hey guy, please take out your profit. Okay, this week we make profit. Okay, and then we don't have AB account to balance, but we want to make sure your account always have. Let's say your account is $1,000. Always make sure your account got $1,000. Otherwise, your result will be different than our result. Okay. So make sure your capital is already there. So let's say this week we make $1,200. Please take away your $200 profit and enjoy with your family. Okay, but because of there's no AB balancing, so I will suggest your guy buffer 15% because I told you that our maximum top up will be need 15%. So buffer 15% in your wallet. Don't spend out all the profit. Buffer 50% on your wallet, just in case, like just now, 1 over the 9 week, we call almost like 1 over the 9 week is about how many? 90%, right? About 80%. So 90% or 10% is may not be. Then that week you probably have to put in using that wallet to top up back your account, make it to $1,000. Okay. So this is basically something you need to do. Okay, next. Okay, why join awesome V88 or Vantage? This is basically we consider performance May 2025. If you are familiar with us, have been followers, you know that we've been transparent, trade. Okay, so the second good thing is now the broker is regulated. Okay, as I say, they got the top number 2 and the top 3 license needed in the world. They already got 2. Discipline, risk management, and then we also, the good thing is we eliminated 6% money insurance. Okay, that means more profit retained by follower, and you don't need to do the AB account balance every week. Yeah, the rest is like the good infrastructure, and also our break even is on 46%. Okay, so we managed to do our mathematical trick strategy that to reduce our break even very low. Okay, our cost is also very low. One thing I want to share with your guys is for those who are from Maxima, I really know what is happening there, and our team try to help people here to first to recover basically. Okay, so we want you to have more profit. That's why our team had discussed among ourselves. We are willing to slash down our copy trading commission. In our trading copy commissions, the company charging last time is 10%, charge your guy 10%. But now we only talk to Vantage. Vantage will only take 5% out. So you give back 95% or to all your followers so that you faster get back your capital, then you feel comfortable because your profit is floating. Yeah. So you will get more money basically. So here, traded follower get back all 95%. We don't take a very high profit sharing. So later I can show you guys also there are some other copy signal in Vantage. They are charging like 25%. No, it's very high. So let's see. They are sent to my trader group. Where are they? Okay. Okay, this is currently our, if you can see this, our page. Yeah. So awesome trader team. And then now we got one account come up, V88. We have another account called V18. V18 is trade by another 2 trader there, another 2 pilot trader. So V88 is myself and Alex. And V18, there's another 2 traders. So that V18 will be ready in another 2 weeks to 4 week time, depend on the call pilot preparation, how soon they are ready. So you can see we only charge 5%. But you can see the other in the platform, this is the number 1 in the platform. In the past 3 months, he performed 58%, same like us, but we take 2 months to perform 50%. He take 3 months to perform 58%. And yet, you see how much he charge profit sharing, 25%. Does it every profit trade you're gonna take out from your guy 25%? Your guy only gets 75%. Okay. For us, we only get 5%. You know. So yeah, so we just want your guy to get as much as possible. Okay. But then after 3 months, we're gonna adjust back our commission back to 10% here. Okay, 3 months. Eventually, I think to be fair, the market there is about 12%. To be fair to you, it's 12%. So we will gradually adjust. Probably 3 months later, we adjust to 8%. Then we adjust another 3 months. 6 months later, then we adjust to 12%. Go back to our mark. Wherever. So by the time I think 6 months, your guys is already can build up a lot of profit from there. So, but we are not going to overcharge, go to all the way to 25%. Yep. And you can see his drawdown also like 13.96%, you know, here. So this is something
Joshua, your screen doesn't change. It's still on joining awesome V88.
Oh, okay, is it?
Yeah.
That's very good, guy. Yeah, sorry, so long I didn't use the Zoom, you know. Yeah, let me go here. Okay. Now, okay. All right, this is, can you see already now? This one?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is where our provider ID 781072. This is V88. We got V18 will be ready in 2 weeks to 1 time. Okay, I am preparing the Copilot also. So this is basically we only charge 5%. Okay, so here is the another guy, as I mentioned. This is the top in the platform. The performance is 3 months, 58.77%. Okay, our one is just now it's like 50%, 2 months. So he's but then you look at he charged it at 25%. Yeah, and the drawdown is 13.996%. Yep. Okay, so jump back. All right, so that much guy, and here is I thank you for Alex. Actually, I give him the content there I need to talk and then the structure, but he put this thing all out within 1 day, and then I say put in the QR code easy for everybody now, easy, you know. So what should you do if let's say you want to join Vantage platform now? You have to open the account. Okay, so first thing, please join our WhatsApp group first. Okay, you scan this first QR code on the left hand side to join our WhatsApp group. That's important because there's how we communicate with you every week. You know, we no longer A B balance the account by yourself, so we have to tell you when to draw profit, when to top up. No, like yeah. So basically, not always top up. We like for the last 9 weeks, we only have 1 week need top up 10%. The rest of it is all profit take up. Okay, so join the group. We update you news. We update you our daily performance, our weekly profit performance. Everything is you've been there, the communication. So we want to give you a better service. No, like yeah, your guy know that we are really doing work hard for our own money and also for your guys, you know, the success in your account. Secondly, the bigger one is the Vantage register link. Okay, you scan this one. That's how you can, if you have a camera, you can take a photo or how. So this will be direct you for the register. So when you register Vantage, you search for Awesome V88 on the platform, and you open up your copy account in Vantage, put in $1,000 into send account, and then follow our signal. That's how immediately you can follow our trick. Okay, so on the last right hand side one is a guide for you, just in case somebody you don't know how to do it. So we did a guide for you, a step-by-step guide how to do register, how to start copy. So all these 3 screenshots here. Yeah, so okay, I think I pretty much done, and now I open for your guy to talk and question to ask, or you want me to jump back to the previous any slide, you know? Kira, would you mind to open the mic for everyone?
Sorry, could you repeat that again?
Kira, can you open mic for them? Any question guys want to ask me? Is a Q&A now.
No, it's not restricted, so anyone can turn on their mics at any time.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
Joshua,
Hmm.
the performance week, just now you are saying, right? So that one is excluding your the fees, right? The performance
Including, I already calculate, I already take out already. Because the copy fees is not taken by us, it's Vantage take out.
I
So
see.
that one it already take out, yes. If I not take out, it's $26. You take out, so it's $24. Yeah. So it's 75. I remember it's already take out, yeah. Use 1.3.5. Yes, this one is already take out. Because let's get the figure is based on my calculation from here. My calculation from here is I already take out the 5% commissions, performance fees.
Okay, for Vintage, right? Let's say you take up the money, let's say the profit, will the profit directly back into our accounts, bank accounts, or we should open another Vintage account you park at the dormant account?
Sorry, I'm not quite. Alex, are you there, Alex?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So I'm not quite understand your questions.
Okay.
Maybe if you're not answered correctly, then you probably Alex be there. Okay, for Vantage, when you trade, actually you are putting fund into your account, your own account. You can go to Malaysia Bank, any bank, we 24 or 7, even and then instantly cost 2. Or you can use cryptocurrency like Bybit, or there are a lot of way of paying, even credit cards. So when you fund into your own, you have to open your own trading account based on the 3 so-called this one are very important. This one you open from here, the link. The reason why you must open from here, because our back end actually, when they prepare for us, we actually able to appoint IB agent in future. So if you make sure you register here, that's why I talked to Alex already. The IB agent, or when we open here, we cannot close on, so we have to make sure appoint to we offer to the existing person who qualify lah. So when you open the account from there, you fund in and then you're trading. Then every time the profit will go into your trading account. So your question, are you asking when withdrawal? Is it? Are you asking withdrawal from the wallet?
Okay, why I'm asking this question is because if let's say we withdraw, so if let's say Malaysia, if let's say we withdraw, then the money back into Malaysia bank. So we convert from the USD to Malaysia, so there will be a conversion rate.
No. It's in USDT. So when you fund in, you can fund in USDT, and then you withdraw, you can withdraw in USDT. So you don't need to like transfer in, transfer out on different currency. Vantage
I see.
allow USDT.
I see. It means you can register a USDT account. Let's say transfer out to USDT lah. Okay.
When you
should
fund
be
in
fine.
is USDT, you fund out also USDT.
I see. Okay.
Because Vantage is not actually supporting in Singapore, but you can use proxy. I mean, you register your email, your phone number with another people names, but everything is controlled by you lah. I mean, you can like get someone IC or identity from Vietnam, any other country also can.
There are no restriction for Malaysia, right?
No,
Malaysia,
not
no.
restriction. Malaysia, all other countries don't have, only Singapore.
See.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so Malaysia you can
because
register.
Singapore people too rich already lah. That's why, yeah,
No
only
lah,
Singapore. Just
because
kidding.
Singapore have their own finance. I mean, their finance, they track a lot of things on that. Malaysia is okay.
Okay. But because why I'm asking this question is because when you say that we have to sometimes have to stand by some amount, let's say the profit, let's say we make up a profit, we take out and then we put into another account. So when there's a drawdown, so we have to put it back, adjust it in weekly time and things like that. So if let's say if we directly back into Malaysia bank means USD convert to Malaysia, you're missing some money, and then when you need, and then you Malaysia put in money to USD again, you lost again, that kind of thing. Okay, now I understand. No issue.
That's
No
the
issue.
issue.
USD.
So let me go through the flow with you guys. Okay, so it's quite simple, the whole process, right? After you do registration, okay, you do KYC, okay? You need to like do do a KYC to let Vantage know who you are. After do the KYC, right, you need to open an MT5 account. It's actually copy trading account lah. So you open a copy trading account and then you fund in deposit by USDT. Then you find our awesome name in copy trading page. You browsers, and then you just start copy and then follow the default account. I mean the default setting. Then it's done already. I mean just 5 steps lah. Yeah, and then all the USDT you fund in is, you fund in USDT, then you withdraw is your USDT. The earning you get, you can withdraw as USDT. And then, you can park your fund in Vantage account. You can withdraw anytime you want. And then if you, let's say, some weeks is not good, then we say, oh, need to top up back, then you top up back lor. So normally we do it like a monthly basis overview lah. I mean, review back our trades, and then we will tell, like, example, this month our earning 50%. So to client is about 30% earning lah. Then we will ask the followers, just follow us, withdraw the commissions that you have, I mean the earning you have, then we stay back to the same amount of capital. So let's say you are 1,000. Let's say after a month, your earning is about 390. So we ask you to like withdraw the balance of earning that you have, then left 1,000 inside. Just keep 1,000 no? Then we actually synchronize with our main account. So once you synchronize,
Alex, we do this weekly because I told you already the market cycle go for weekly better than the way. So out of the 9 weeks, for the past calculation, out of 9 weeks, 8 weeks is profitable. So 1 week only need to top up. So what they do is buffer, because our control is 15%, so buffer 15% inside your wallet. That's it. So you don't need to pay insurance money already. So you save that money there as a buffer. That's all. Don't take out all. Yeah. So
because
when
I thought that day our discussion is monthly then today
monthly too late. Sometimes so Saturday, Sunday they got time to do it 2 days to top. Sometimes the top could be like 10.26% that day. That will make only. So that top up can be immediate from your wallet. So before Monday the trading start. So you have the full fund. So to say the full capital again to follow the trade. Yeah. This is the only thing we need to do. Yeah, but you save 6% insurance every month. So 3 months is basically 18%, right, bro? Correct or not?
Oh,
yeah,
okay. The other thing, right?
but
Just now I scan the account, right? So we don't need to download the app. We just go through website, is it?
website also can, you download the app also can, but you just key in our referral link. I mean our referral code. The behind that one is our referral code. I mean,
the one that in the middle,
you just register through website first. After that, you can download the Vantage through Google or Apple also can. Then you log in by there.
Okay.
Actually, we did have a guide at the last QR code. Then you scan the QR code. Then there's a drive inside. There's a PDF file how to do registration. All these are.
Yeah, the right hand side.
Noted.
The most right hand side. When
we check it out. We check it out.
Sorry to interrupt you guys. Just want to bring to you guys' attention that in the chat there's 2 questions at the moment. First one from Mr. Xiao Liao. As far as I know, Singapore cannot register for Vantage. So what is your answer to that?
Singapore, because we are dealing with the with the director lah. So if you have proxy, then we can help you to like approve your account. And then I mean still need their IC. I just need one IC, and then you register under your email, then I can approve it, and then you can still withdraw smoothly. So don't worry about that. I have our people inside as a director in Malaysia lah, so we can settle it that.
Okay, which also leads us to the second question, because you mentioned that with Singapore accounts you can use a proxy, right? Mr. Desmond actually asked, is that legal for you guys to be using a proxy?
Yeah. That's why, as I mentioned just now, because we are dealing with the company founder lah, so it's fine.
That means in the fine, the way that the company don't questions you lah, but is your
Because
arrangement with the proxy lah? It could be your relative, is it? So something you know.
yeah, can be your relative or someone that you know lah.
Because of $1,000 only ma, don't worry about it. So
Yeah,
your
it's
friend,
not
your friend not gonna run away with your $1,000, right?
even he have right. He also cannot do anything because he don't know your email. He don't know your password. He don't know
Oh
which
yeah.
one to log in. So he can't do anything one.
So yeah, okay. So maybe you control on the you put
Yeah,
your
the
email
full
lah, your
control is still under yourself ah.
email, your phone.
Yeah, and then normally they need utility bills to go through all the thing, but our side here don't need lah. I mean, I will ask the support from Vantage to settle for us. For only Singapore client lah, a bit special lah. Mm.
Okay, any question you guys want to ask? We are happy to answer, Yeah, in fact we are more happy you are asking questions. So that's the way. So long we didn't chat to you guys. It's the first time we're able to chat to you.
Yeah. Actually, quite simple lah. The whole plan is like we are just transferring whatever we are doing in Maxima into Vantage. The setup, the trading strategies, because we've been actually trade for a year, so we already know how to trade with this setting. So we did a calculation before. After transferring to Vantage, right, with the same amount of earning, I mean the same win rates that we can get lah, 50% to client can earn about 39%. Instead of, compare with Maxima, actually 50%, you might only earn 15% or below. But the difference is that in Maxima, they said like so-called of like no risk because of we've come with the insurance, all this, but then you see now still have, I mean, still having issue lah. So to us here, there's no like 100% guarantee, is always 50%, but to us, you can see the
Capital
result of the
assurance,
past.
capital
Yeah.
security important.
You don't have any capital security here lah, huh? You can still lose your fund, but then the difference is that because we already have 6 month past record, and for the 6 month we are doing good, and I believe it's more than 46% and above. So at least your capital won't lose any money, if you put in Vantage. But when the good month, when come to like 50% win rate or even higher, because we did that before, 52%. So your earning might be about 40% to 50%. So which means maybe we can do 2 to 3 months, then you can earn back your capital. Then the balance of the capital you can park 15% for to top up when the week is not good lah. So compared to Maxima is slightly higher lah, the earning, and also our commission, the copy trading, actually we not taking a lot. Yeah, it's quite simple lah, the whole concept.
Yeah, the Alexis, I did mention already. Now we actually taking 5% minimum reduce.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Later on, that one is later
3
on.
months, 3 months later we adjust to 8%. Then another 3 months we adjust to 12. Go back to normal. Okay.
Yeah.
So can the question here, Desmond asking, can the minimum reduce to 250 or 500? Okay. Yeah, that's a very good question, Desmond. So the reason why we only put $1,000 here to start up by is because we want you to get the same result we have as the trading, and also with $1,000 you can see significant some profit a year lah, sorry, a week lah, every week or every month, you see every week in fact. So yeah, I think $1,000 is still it's a very good calculation. Also the lot size, rather than a weird figure like 250 or 500, 750. So we better fix it on 1,000 size, easier so to start up. So in future, if you want to top up, it will be 2,000 or 3,000, 4,000. So it's like every $1,000 or one unit that will be easier.
Sorry to interrupt. The QR code on the middle, right? When I just now scan in using my iPhone, I did not see the referral buy. When I scan in, yeah, they go to the Vantage page, but there are no referral. There one referral buy. There's nothing inside the column.
Okay, never mind. I send it out to you now.
Because you have to be referred by you all,
Yeah,
something like that,
correct.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Because the
Yeah.
next stage we're going to start with the IB agent. IB agent for those who are assisting like you yourself, or you already qualify in Maxima as the IB. So we got some lot rebate kind of arrangement. Yeah.
Because just now I scanned
sure
in, I
you-
didn't see
Make sure
refer
link
by.
here, then you pass to your downline will be the same, Yeah.
No,
Make
he's
sure.
asking because there's a referral link there, but just now, after he
No
clicked the
code.
link, he don't see the code there. Never mind, I send it out later.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. So, guys, any other questions? Beside Desmond, I think Desmond Tong I already answered. Yeah, you're happy with the question. I think because of the system calculation based on 1,000 easier to follow our funds as well. Yeah.
The invite code is Hush. I send it into the group and here lah. Okay. Yeah.
Bro,
And
make
also-
sure this is correct. V88.
No, on Vantage only have one link, bro. Don't have other,
Okay.
bro.
All right. Cool.
Let me send into our group chat also lah. Okay, guys, like that. If you guys don't know how to do registration, where you start, then you just let me or Joshua know. Then we guide you step by step. The best is that you try to scan the last one, the Vantage guide. Then step by step go through the whole registration. Although it's a bit, I mean, a lot. I mean, the first time you do a bit 麻烦 lah, okay, but then it's still okay when you go through the whole thing already, then it's done already. Just one time work lah. Yeah. Okay.
So if
Okay,
if
so-
there's if
Yeah,
there's
it's too
more
public.
fun, let's say if there's more fun, right? So it's, let's say you got 1,000 or maybe you put 2,000, the lot size will be automatically, right?
Correct. Yeah. So we will
Yeah,
we'll
auto.
we'll prefer you every increment will be like $1,000 lah. Put it
Yeah.
this way, 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000 lah. So your lot size you can see clearly lah, easier. Yeah.
Noted.
Yeah,
correct.
Desmond asked about opening. Yeah, actually this copying account is to public one. Anyone can, just follow the copying.
Yeah. Even the Vantage platform people, I think once we do few months, the Vantage outside people will a lot of joy lah, because so far I checked already, we are the lowest. We only charge 5% commission. None of them is all like 25, 30%. Don't know why they want to make so much. It's like, wow, you're charging very expensive. So we are the most. I think I have very confidence. So your guys come in faster, yeah. And those who are now already qualified as a IP in Maxima one, you have a private message us, talk to us. So we have a program also help you, so that you need something, you don't lose your member lah. They are all your downline member is your friend, and so that's why I say this time we help them also. We give maximum profit return to them. They are all our friends. So don't think about our personal earnings too much. So, but you pick the registration link nicely. We able to arrange something for you. So come talk to us personally. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? So this is our first meeting. When you guys sort out this one, I probably arrange another. Another presentations next round lah. Yeah. It's true. You definitely use this happen. Because for me is I also kena lah, because I got 8 trading account. Not cheap. Every trading account, every copy trading 10,000 is already 80,000. 5 in KL, 3 in Australia, and then my wife and my son. But whatever happened now is beyond our control, because we don't own the Maxima company. We can't do anything. But now the Vantage is a public company. They are regulated and licensed. So instead of you have a failure, but then you also you put in here and show them the success. So there's always something you can always talk to them later. Maybe not tomorrow, not instantly, but But let here go for like few weeks or 1 month, then you talk to them again, you know. So it's different. You know, so it's always kind of make up again, you know. They are all still our friend and yeah. Would you Bitcoin, yeah. Is it what you mean, Desmond? BTC is Bitcoin, right? Cryptocurrency? Yes, I think we are, Alex, and we are developing something, and now we are test running. We prefer to run for 1 month first, refine us before mature the testing and testing and testing. Then only I put into market. Yeah, you're very smart. Yeah, we are doing that something there. Yeah, we will trick beyond more than that. Yeah.
Anyway, I'm developing a real AI trading system lah. Anyway, this one let me test out first for some time. It's not a normal EA lah. I mean, it's
Yeah.
something really
So-
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because of yeah, so you need to go to a proper test out before we launch into the. That's very important.
Yeah. So while we are actually waiting for the things, I'm doing. I mean, we continue the earning lah. Cannot stop in. I mean, in maxima on like that ma. I mean, we need to look forward, continue to earn money from it. So that's why we come up with this, and this is what we actually do best and do well since last year till now. So just keep on continue do it, and then benefit to everyone lah, for actually following us.
So I did told Alexa because I find crypto market is suitable to use AI EA lah. The reason is because cryptocurrency operate as a free and decentralized market. There's no direct intervention by central bank or governments, you know. So price action basically driven by market participant, okay, retail or institution flow, liquidity or settlement. So for this is the reason why EA can go for algorithm trading strategy and generally it's more suitable for crypto lah. So provided the risk management is properly implemented, that's why now Alex did go through, always discuss with me, we all discuss about the risk control. So for that part will be fully automated in future come out, you know. So not like us I have to stay on the screen and strike. So like commodity gold is different, fiat currency, all this is influenced by central bank policy lah, government lah, you know, intervention lah, macroeconomy, geopolitical war lah, fundamental event. So this type of gold asset or what still need human to trade, okay? So it's always this thing happen, the factor will distort technical behavior. If you are a seasoned trader like 3-5 years, you know that. It's distorted the technical. It could be the report, financial report, very good, but the market go against it. You know, so so this is why it significantly reduce the reliability of fully automated ES system or in this time market lah. So yeah, crypto, I believe can use copy or automate. Yeah. So stay tuned. You come out that one. So more asset we can be trade in this awesome into Vantage. So you can diversify your fund also from your profit, you know, in different asset, different kind of market. Okay, next question. Any question before I call it a day?
12% when commission increase. Actually, if 12% increase, right, maybe reduce about another 10-20%, but we won't increase so early lah. I mean,
No, 6 months, bro.
depends at the time when see the result, how is it? I mean, after 3 months, we'll see how
Yeah,
it
6
goes.
months.
Might not increase one, so we will discuss on that lah. Yeah, we just give a hit. We might increase if we come up with a very, very good strategies and we can consistently like earn more than 50% and above. Then why not? To you have no not losing ma.
Yeah, it's true because you see, if we can go in volume, let's say now we go in volume already. Let's say people who come in $1,000, eventually they earn already. They spend half, they take half out, they put in half to top up their fund. Normal investor will do that. So we grow in volume, then it's okay. If we go in volume, I think me and Lex, we are more happy. Then we might maintain the percentage low, so to stay competitive in the platform. So even it could be people from Vantage also join us, not only Maxima. So why not,薄利多销嘛, the strategy. Yeah,
Okay, guys, bro, you continue because I gotta go already. Have
yeah,
some.
and let's got something to do.
So
Okay,
yeah,
that's very good question, Desmond Tong. This is one thing I like Vantage so much.